I'm Mia Mikhail, the friendly angel, and I'll be your host in this tutorial. Nice to meet you! This is the first video of a YouTube series in which we'll teach you how to draw from zero. Yes, this is a tutorial for people with zero knowledge about drawing. So you know how to draw, get the hell out! But this video is going to be entertaining as well. If you are already an artist, you can stay. The goal of this course is to teach you how to go from this to this, or this, or this, or even more. Now, I'm not an expert, but my creator-sama, has some tricks that wants to share with you guys, and I think it's going to be very useful. So, let's start! Alright, so for this tutorial you can use paper and pencil or you can use a software of your choice, it doesn't matter. Since I don't really have a good setup to record myself using paper and pencil, I'm going to use a digital software. You can use any software application you want, it doesn't matter. I'm going to assume that in addition to being a novice in art, you're also poor. So for this tutorial I'm going to use a free software called Krita. You can download it in the link I'm going to leave in the description below. Krita is kind of complicated to use if you're new, but for this tutorial, you'll be fine. But again, you can use any tool you want. It doesn't matter, seriously. Even if you use Paint, I don't really care. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Krita, just in case. But it could be. Think about it, Krita. Now that you have your tool, let's start! Alright, our first lesson is going to be something that everybody can draw. Stickman! To draw your stickman, we're going to start drawing a circle. I'm going to pick a black color and this brush, for example, and then draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry about that. And then draw the body. Congratulations! You drew a stickman! Yay! First step done! Now you take a look at your stickman, you're going to notice that proportions are kind of weird, like the hands are very small and the legs are this. So, how do we fix this? Now you may be thinking that the key to learn how to draw is to practice a lot. That's going to be helpful, yes, but practice alone is not going to be enough. In learning how to draw from zero, you're going to learn that the real key to learn how to draw is actually observation. Yep, so we are going to observe. I'm watching you. Alright, this is a man's body. We are going to use this image to learn about height. Now, usually what artists do is to take the size of the head, in this case, the size of our stickman's head, and use it for the size of the height of our character. In manga style, a character is usually 7 or 6 heads tall. So, you take this man's head. We are going to use this tool over here. Sorry fella, make sure you are in the correct layer. I'm going to copy your head and select more or less the face as close as possible. And Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Use this tool, move the head, and Ctrl V again. This man is 7 heads tall. So we're going to do the same with your stickman. Measure the size of the head, something like this. Or if you're using a digital tool, you can cheat a bit and select the head with Ctrl C and Ctrl V and duplicate it like we did with our stock image man. And more or less 1, 2. It's going to be taller. Doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry about that. Don't panic. Don't get anxious. Drawing is supposed to be fun. It's not about perfection. I want you to remember that. Just enjoy the process. Redraw the head and his body is going to be like this tall. Let's go. So if we observe our stickman, you are going to notice that the legs start more or less at the middle of the body. This doesn't have to be like that depending on the art style. For example, if you take a look at my VTuber model, you're going to notice that the bottom part, which is this part, starts a little bit higher compared to our stickman. This is bottom part, upper part, which is not very realistic, but it doesn't matter because it's just an art style. Everything can work, you just have to find your way. That's why art is so fun, because there are no rules. You can do whatever you want. In this VTuber model, I don't really have realistic proportions, but it doesn't matter, it's just an art style. We're going to situate the middle part of our body. It's going to be over here. So we are going to draw a leg and another leg. That's it! Let's go! Well done, guys. And we're going to situate the neck. It's going to be over here. And we're going to start doing the shoulders and the arms. You take the size of the head and duplicate it. Like this, you're going to notice that the distance from this part of the head and the shoulder is going to be more or less the same. So we're going to take the head of our stickman and we're going to mark the distance. Start drawing the shoulders of our stickman. It's going to be a very strong man. And we are going to draw a triangle like this. Right, looking more like a man, right? Now that we have the body, we are going to situate the knee. So where is the knee? The knee is more or less in the middle part of the entire leg. So we are going to take our leg and the middle part is over here. So this is going to be our knee, this is going to be our thigh, and the rest of the leg. So this is going to be very useful to situate how long the arms are going to be, because if you take a closer look, you are going to notice that the arm reaches more or less the middle part of the thigh. So we are going to mark the middle part of our thigh and draw the arm over there, and this is going to be the hand. Don't worry about the hands. I'm going to make a proper tutorial to teach you how to draw the hands, but right now this is our hand, okay? You can do fingers if you want. Just like what happened with our leg, that you have the knees in the middle of the leg. You are going to situate the middle of the arm as well, and now you look at the result. What you have here is a stickman as well. But it's better, it's looking better, right? It's looking more realistic. Well done, guys! I'm so proud of you. Congratulations! Your stickman looks better now. In the next tutorial, we'll teach you how to pose with your stickman. Little by little, we'll keep adding details to your stickman, like some muscles, color or clothes, until you learn how to draw a proper character by yourself. Keep practicing with your stickman, keep drawing different body proportions. You can show me your result on my Twitter account, feel free to tag me. See you in our next tutorial. Bye bye guys, see you soon. Mia Mikhail